For 15 years, I was the top sales producer at every company I ever worked for. And this is the most important tip I learned being a sales superstar. Doesn't matter what industry you're in, what products you're selling, or what company you're working for. If you want to be a sales superstar, you've got to find a sales process that is easy to learn. And more importantly, you've got to find other like-minded people that are using that same sales process and get together with them on a regular basis. This way, you can get better as a group. That's what we're doing over at eastonuniversity.com. We've got the sales process for you. There's on-demand training that you can get into 24/7, 365. And then every week, you can get on live sessions with me, with other people making $250,000, $500,000, over $1 million a year, and we get better as a group. If you want to double, triple, quadruple your income in sales, you've got to have a process, and then you have to have other people that you're learning that process with. My name's Matt Easton. Consider checking us out over at eastonuniversity.com for exclusive content and one-on-one live training with me. The world of sales has completely changed. Today's customer has access to more information. Today's customer has more choices. The business world needs you. Studies have shown that 84% of salespeople fail to achieve their goals. The old sales training, well, it just doesn't work today. I'd like to teach you how to take the stress out of selling in a way that's meaningful to you and your customers and get you 7 times more business. I'll show you how the perfect sales process works. I'm gonna walk you through everything from prospecting to closing the deal. I'm gonna show you how to determine your prospects' wants and their needs so you can build value in your solutions. You will learn how to handle any objection or complaint. I'm gonna show you how to connect with your customer so it's easy for them to buy from you. I've taught the best companies in the world and thousands of people just like you how to hit their targets. Selling is complicated. I'll simplify it for you. There's more competition than ever before. I'm gonna show you how to be number one. All of a sudden, your career is gonna make perfect sense, even if you've never worked in sales or the corporate world before. And for the advanced sales professionals, I'm gonna show you how to take things to the next level. Easton University is a new, simple, step-by-step process that's effective in any industry, large or small. You are about to become a certified master sales consultant. I'm Matt Easton, and this is Easton University.